Okay, sixth standard. We will be starting with you. Lesson number 4 of your civics. Urban local government bodies म्हणजेच शहरी स्थानिक शासन संस्था. Fill in the blanks आहे. To live among a variety of communities is to experience. Sorry. The first city in Maharashtra to have a municipal corporation is dash dash. महाराष्ट्रात प्रथम महानगरपालिका स्थापन करण्यात आली त्या शहराचे नाव. हँड रेज करा. सिक्स स्टँडर्ड. येस, सिक्स स्टँडर्ड.
काय?
आता क्वेश्चन वाचला ना मी. The first city in Maharashtra to have a municipal corporation. महाराष्ट्रात प्रथम महानगरपालिका स्थापन करण्यात आली त्या शहराचे नाव. नागपूर, मुंबई, लातूर. काय आहे?
मुंबई.
येस. The body that looks after the administration of places that are in the process of becoming cities. शहर होण्याच्या प्रक्रियेत जी गावे असतात तिथे कामकाज पाहते. म्युनिसिपल काउन्सिल, म्युनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन, नगरपंचायत. नगर परिषद, महानगरपालिका, नगरपंचायत. कोण पाहतं?
नगर पंचायत.
नाही. अनुज.
महानगरपालिका.
नाही. म्युनिसिपल काउन्सिल, नगर परिषद. The office bearer who supervises the work of the municipal council. Sorry. Second one is, I think, Nagar Panchayat. Beta. Yes, Adesh was right. Nagar Panchayat. Second is Nagar Panchayat. Sorry. Third, the office bearer who supervises the work of the municipal council. नगर परिषदेच्या आर्थिक प्रशासनावर लक्ष ठेवणारा चीफ ऑफिसर, मुख्याधिकारी, एक्झिक्युटिव्ह ऑफिसर, कार्यकारी अधिकारी, कमिशनर, आयुक्त. कोण लक्ष ठेवतं? येस.
चीफ ऑफिसर.
आन्सर इन ब्रीफ. व्हॉट प्रॉब्लेम्स डू पीपल फेस इन सिटीज? शहरामध्ये कोणकोणत्या समस्या आढळतात? सांगा. जय. Yes, Jay.
The major problems that people face in cities are shortage of housing, shortage of place, traffic congestion, displacement of garbage, increase in crime, or large population living in slums.
Very good. त्यानंतरचा तुमचा क्वेश्चन आहे, नेम द व्हेरियस कमिटीज ऑफ म्युनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन. सांगा. म्युनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन म्हणजे महानगरपालिकेच्या विविध समित्यांची नावे सांगा. कोणकोणत्या कमिटीज असतात? जय अगेन. येस जय. द म्युनिसिपल कमिशन्स. येस जय.
The municipal corporation manage the affairs of the cities with the help of the following complex introduction, public health, company and
Committee,
transport
committee.
committee.
Education committee, health committee, transport committee. Which are the essential functions of the municipal council? नगर परिषदेच्या आवश्यक कामांमध्ये कोणकोणत्या कामांचा समावेश होतो? म्युनिसिपल काउन्सिलची आवश्यक कामे सांगा. सांगा. जय. सेट. अनुज रीड कर.
टीचर मी करू.
Yes. There are some.
हा वाच.
There are some functions
फंक्शन
that are uh, function that are
बाइंडिंग
uh, bending on the
काउन्सिल.
council. These are known as
ऑब्लिगेटरी.
obligatory functions. For explain
फॉर एक्झाम्पल
example,
लाइटनिंग.
lightning of
पब्लिक स्ट्रीट्स.
public streets, power,
प्रोव्हाइडिंग
providing drinking water, public hygienic,
हायजीन.
sang
सिवेज
hygiene,
डिस्पोजल.
sewage disposal, registration of birth, death, marriage, etc.
ओके.
The
येस येस बस. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आहे तुमचा. वेअर डज द नगरपंचायत फंक्शन? नगरपंचायत कोणत्या ठिकाणी असते? सांगा.
टीचर स्क्रीन वॉच विजिबल.
वेअर डज द नगरपंचायत वर्क? नगरपंचायत कोणत्या ठिकाणी असते? नगरपंचायत वर्क इन द विलेजेस हु आर इन द प्रोसेस ऑफ बिकमिंग सिटीज. शहर होण्याच्या प्रक्रियेत जी गावे असतात तिथे नगरपंचायत काम पाहते. ओके. त्यानंतरचा तुमचा शेवटचा लेसन आहे डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऍडमिनिस्ट्रेशन, जिल्हा प्रशासन. आन्सर इन वन सेंटेन्स. हु हेड्स द डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऍडमिनिस्ट्रेशन? जिल्हा प्रशासनाचा प्रमुख कोण असतो? जय.
The district collector head the district administration.
व्हेरी गुड. डिस्ट्रिक्ट कलेक्टर, जिल्हाधिकारी. व्हॉट इज द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ तहसीलदार? तहसीलदारावर कोणती जबाबदारी असते? व्हॉट इज द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ तहसीलदार? आदेश माईक ऑन कर. वाच.
Yes, teacher.
हा वाच. तहसीलदार इथून वाच. जे ब्ल्यू मध्ये आहे ना ते वाच.
The Tahsildar has the Republic
रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी.
responsibility of
मेंटेनिंग
maintaining space,
पीस.
peace and order,
ऑर्डर.
order in the
तालुका.
taluk.
नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज विच कोर्ट इज ॲट द अपेक्स ऑफ द ज्युडिशियरी. न्यायव्यवस्थेच्या शिरोभागी कोणते न्यायालय असते. सांगा सगळ्यात वरती कोणतं न्यायालय आहे. जय.
The Supreme Court.
द सुप्रीम कोर्ट सर्वोच्च न्यायालय. व्हेरी गुड. विच डिझास्टर्स कॅन बी बी फोर वॉर्न अबाउट. कोणकोणत्या आपत्तीची पूर्वसूचना आपल्याला मिळू शकते. येस. वादळ, भूकंप, पूर. ओके. hailstorms, earthquakes and floods. त्यानंतर मॅच द फॉलोविंग आहे. डिस्ट्रिक्ट कलेक्टर. डिस्ट्रिक्ट कलेक्टर करा मॅच. येस अनुज.
Maintaining law and order.
डिस्ट्रिक्ट कोर्ट. डिस्ट्रिक्ट कोर्ट. येस अनुज. सांगा डिस्ट्रिक्ट कोर्ट.
Resolving
रिझॉल्विंग
resolving disputes.
डिस्प्यूट्स. अँड तहसीलदार तालुका मॅजिस्ट्रेट. सांगा आता मला डिझास्टर मॅनेजमेंट. डिझास्टर मॅनेजमेंट आणि फंक्शन ऑफ द डिस्ट्रिक्ट कलेक्टर याच्यावर मला नोट लिहायची आहे. काय काय लिहिणार त्यामध्ये. जय.
Teacher, me bolu. Sometime we men have to face a
कॅलामिटी.
calamity. It could be a
नॅचरल
natural
डिझास्टर.
disaster like foods,
Flood. फायर.
fire,
क्लाउड बर्स्ट.
cloud burst,
सायक्लॉन. ओके वेट. सायक्लॉन, earthquake, landslide or problems like riots, bomb blast, breaking of dam, epidemics, etc. These disasters led to loss of human life and displacement of people besides tremendous financial loss. Therefore, the issues of rehabilitation is a process which become important. Disaster management is a process which enable ones to face a disaster in a scientific and organized manner. Okay. त्यानंतर आहे वर्क ऑफ डिस्ट्रिक्ट कलेक्टर. ओके, हे वाचायचे आहेत. फर्स्ट जय, तू वाच फर्स्ट कॉलम ऍग्रिकल्चर वाला.
To correct agricultural tax. To implement
इम्प्लिमेंट
implement laws relating
रिलेटिंग
relating to agriculture. To provide relief in
रिलीफ
relief in
केस ऑफ
case of drought, drought, drought and shell city of folder.
कारसिटी फॉर्डर. अनुज, लॉ अँड ऑर्डर.
Yes. Establish fence in the district. Second, to maintain
सोशल
so, social
हार्मनी.
harmony. Third, to uh, restrict unleaven
अनलॉफुल अनलॉफुल
unlawful asm-
असेंबली
assembly imposed
कर्फ्यू
curfew if required
रिक्वायर्ड.
required.
आदेश इलेक्शन ऑफिसर. आदेश
To
एन्श्युअर
ensure
स्मूथ कंडक्ट
smooth conduct of
इलेक्शंस.
election. To take
नेसेसरी
necessary dis-
डिसिजन्स
decision related to the
इलेक्टोरल
electoral
प्रोसेस.
process. To update un-
अपडेट
update the
वोटर्स लिस्ट.
voters list.
Disaster management to take quick decisions, times of disaster and prevent or minimize the damage. To give orders to the disaster management unit and said to rehabilitate those affected by a disaster. आता तुम्हाला हा टेबल तुमच्या नोटबुक मध्ये लिहायचा आहे. आपण तुमच्या दोन्ही लेसनची रिव्हिजन घेतलेली आहे. ओके, 6th स्टँडर्ड समजलंय सगळ्यांना?
Yes.
लेसन नंबर 4 and 5 ची रिव्हिजन आपण घेतलेली आहे. तुमच्या पेज नंबर 77 वरचा द फंक्शन्स ऑफ डिस्ट्रिक्ट कलेक्टर, जिल्हाधिकाऱ्याची कार्ये, हा टेबल तुम्हाला तुमच्या नोटबुक मध्ये आता लिहायचा आहे. ओके, 5th स्टँडर्ड अनिकेत, कर्णिका, साक्षी. पहिल्यांदा आपण लेसन रीड करणार आहोत आणि त्यानंतर क्वेश्चन अँड आन्सर्स. ओके, 5th. अनिकेत 10.1 पासून वाचायला सुरुवात करायची.
Yes.
What is culture?
What what is culture? Humans and all other animals are depend or on their env- environment and natural and nature for satisfying their needs. However, other animals do not cause any signification change in their surrounding. For example, bear live in caves and monkey live in tree. But humans build houses. It means that we humans change the natural character of our surrounding to some extent. Humans do not eat their food in its natural form as other animals do. They roast or cook the food, or in other words, they process foodstuff before eating them. They process many substances in a similar manner. They work on stone, metal, etc. to make tools and various objects. They make pots, bricks, and many other things from clay. They obtain yarn from cotton and weave clothes from the yarn. In short, according to their need, they change the form of material available in natural. They need skill to do this. The need to think and plan before they shape shape an object. Then they have to put in efforts to actually and effects give rise to various arts. Every generation handed over the knowledge of the artist skills and traditional to the next generation. With this exchange of thoughts and ideas, language was in- increased,
Enriched.
enriched the knowledge of various arts skill and traditional in, in, inherited from generation to generation, and the way of life founded on the knowledge is what we call natural culture.
Yes. Next, Sachi.
Yes, ma'am. Yes. Cultures which
टायटल वाच अगोदर 10.2 चं.
antique civilization
Ancient.
in river valley. Ancient
Ancient civilization. हा.
cultures which flourish
Flourish.
yes,
Flourish.
flourish in the new Stone Age were based on an agriculture way of life. Fertile,
Fertile.
fertile soil uh, and constant water supply are
Essential.
instant essential for growing good crops. Naturally, people in the New Stone Age established their village settlement on the banks of various rivers. The New Stone Age culture
Flourished.
flourished, flourished along the river bank.
हा वाच.
तिच्या पुढचा वाचू.
हा वाच.
In the course of time, New Stone Age culture gave rise to erase,
Rise to.
erase,
Early. Early.
early civilization. Early civilization increase increase in production due to various skills. The use of the wheels,
Flourishing.
flourishing,
Trade.
flourishing trade, trade, use of well developed script, etc. They were the
Major.
major factory
Major.
major factory
Factors.
responsibly
Responsible.
factors responsibly responsible for the rise of the easily civilization. This civilization came into exist
Existence.
in existence in
Roughly.
roughly the same period, that is around 300 BC, in four
Regions.
regions of regions of the world. They are
Mesopotamia.
Mesopotamia, Egypt,
Egypt.
the India,
The Indian
Egypt, the
subcontinent.
India,
The Indian
subcontinent,
subcontinent.
the Indian continent, the Chin
Subcontinent.
subcontinent, the Chin, the
China.
civili- China, the civilization in the four
Regions. Yes, Sachi. Karnika. Karnika, proceed. 10.3.
मॅम इंग्लिश मधून आलो का मराठीतून?
English.
Mesopotamia is the name of a region and not of any particular
Country.
country. It means
It
the
means
lands between two regions, rivers, a Antarctic, ancient
ancient
Ancient Mesopotamia was the land between the two rivers, Tigris and Euphrates. This, these two rivers mainly form
Flow
through Turkey,
through hmm,
Turkey, Syria, and
Iraq.
Iraq. Ancient Mesopotamia had great cities
Cities
like
Ur,
Yuva,
Ur,
cities
Ur,
like Bur,
Uruk,
Guru,
Nippur, etc.
Nippur, etc. These cities were home to the very
Prosperous.
prosperous cultures. Egypt, the river Nile flows through the eastern part of the Sahara district in the north of Africa. On the one
Ancient
of the ancient
civilization.
civilization flourished along its backs. It is known as the
Egyptian
Egyptian civilization. The Nile gets flooded
studied
every year. The land along here
her bank
her back has become very
fertile.
fertile because of the
Flood वाचायचं. Okay.
flood deposit. Also, an ancient Egyptians used to build small
Embankments
embankments on the river to store the flood water. After the soil in the water settled to the bottom, the water was used for irrigation. Chin.
Okay, stop. Aniket, yes, Aniket.
Yes,
हा वाच.
yes. China. The ancient civilization of China developed and flourished in the valley of the
Develop and flourish.
develop and flourish in the valley of the Huanghe River. Accordingly to the Chinese tradition, a king named
Huangdi.
Huangdi introduced agriculture, animal husbandry, wheeled art, carts
Wheeled
and
carts.
chariots, boats and clothing in China. Chinese people believe that his queen invented the technique of silk production,
Production.
produ- production and silk dyeing,
Dying.
Luoyang, Beijing and Chang and were among the important cities of ancient China.
Okay. Karnika, Harappa. Yes, Karnika.
Hadappa.
Karn-
The
हाँ,
Hadappa, the
earlier
earliest civilization on the Indian sub, sub, sub,
subcontinent.
subcontinent is known as the Hadappa civilization. Harappan civilization. Its flowed, floats
Flourish.
flourish in
Indus.
Swahili. Indus in is the English word of the for
Fox.
the name Sin.
Sindhu.
Sindhu. Hadappa in
Punjab.
Punjab and
Mohenjo-daro.
Mohenjo-daro in
Sindh.
are the two sides of Hadappa's civilization to be discovered first. Now they are in Pakistan,
Lothal.
Lodhar and Dola,
Dola.
Dola, Vira
Veera.
in Gujarat
Gujarat.
and
Kalibangan.
Kalibangaj in Rajasthan are among the famous sites of Hadappa civilization in India. Cities of this civilization are well known for this systematic town planning. The houses were built in blocks
Created.
created by parallel
Parallel.
order
Parallel
roads
roads
that consider
that crossed
each other at right angle.
huge
Huge and
granaries.
spannery house
Granaries.
where the
Huge
spannery
granaries and spacious houses.
spacious houses where the spacious features of these cities there are bathrooms and laundries in every home and a covered darting
Drainage. Covered drainage.
system. It indicates a concerns for public hygiene. There were
Carefully
constructed private and public ways. The cities were divided into two to four parts, each with a
separate
separate
fortification.
fortification.
Okay, stop. Okay. Then you have given see some more characteristic of Harappan civilization. The characteristic earthen pots of Harappan are well block, red in color and with beautiful design like people, leaf, fish scale. Okay. Then in 10.4 स्पोर्ट्स अँड एंटरटेनमेंट साठी ऐतिहासिक काळात काय वापरलं जायचं त्याचा उल्लेख इथे केलेला आहे. सी हंटिंग, रेसलिंग वेर द इम्पॉर्टंट वन. गेम प्लेड विथ द हेल्प ऑफ गेम बोर्ड अँड गेम्समॅन वेर ऑल्सो पॉप्युलर. इन एन्शियंट इजिप्ट पीपल प्ले द गेम दॅट वॉज सिमिलर टू चेस. चेस प्रमाणे चेस सारखा एक गेम एन्शियंट इजिप्ट मध्ये खेळला जायचा. दिस गेम वॉज प्लेड विथ द game board and gamesman. It was known as in ancient China also there were many games played with the boards and gamesman. Then similar games were popular in Mesopotamia and Harappan civilization too. Many toys are found in this excavation of Harappan sites. They include balls, whistle, rattles, bullock cart, animal and birds on wheels, etc. Okay, here are some given. Then music system. The instrument balak was very popular in Mesopotamia. Beside instruments like cymbals, rattle, flutes, drums, etc. were also played. The Egyptian king, Egyptian राजाला काय फारो म्हटलं जायचं. ओके. काही सर्टन फेस्टिवल किंवा ऑकेजनला हा राजा स्वतः सेलिब्रेशन मध्ये भाग घ्यायचा किंवा डान्स वगैरे करायचा. ओके. So, shall we take the question answers now? Yes? Yes? Aniket, Karnika? Your question number 1, answer each of the following question in one sentence. खालील प्रश्नांची एका वाक्यात उत्तरे द्या. Where did the people in the New Stone Age establish their village settlement? नवाश्मयुगीन संस्कृतीचा विकास कोठे झाला? चला, raise your hand. साथी?
Yes, ma'am. People in the New Stone Age established their village settlement on the banks of various rivers.
Yes. Karnika in Marathi.
नवाश्मयुगीन संस्कृतीचा विकास नद्यांच्या काठी झाला.
Yes. Second question आहे तुमचं. What articles were the Harappan craftsmen skilled in making? हडप्पा संस्कृतीचे कारागीर कोणत्या वस्तू बनवण्यात कुशल होते? अनिकेत?
The Harappan craftsmen were highly skilled in making bronze objects and beads from semi-precious stones of different colors.
कर्णिका?
हडप्पा संस्कृतीतील कारागीर विविध प्रकारचे रंगीत दगडांपासून बनवलेले मणी आणि कासे या धातूंच्या वस्तू बनवण्यासाठी कुशल होते.
Answer the following question in brief. थोडक्यात उत्तरे द्या. What are the some of the well-known characteristics of Harappan cities? हरप्पा संस्कृतीच्या नगरांची रचना कोणत्या प्रकारची होती? Yes, Aniket.
The well-known characteristics of Harappan cities are systematic town planning. The houses were built in blocks created by parallel roads that crossed each other at right angle. Hook, greniers, and spacious houses constructed for public hygiene, indicated by bathrooms and latrines in every house and a converged drainage system
Drainage
carefully
system.
drainage system carefully controlled private and public wells. City divided into two to four parts, each having a separate fortification.
Yes. Karnika.
हडप्पा संस्कृतीतील नगरांची रचना नगरातील नसते एकमेकांना समांतर आणि काटकोनात छेदणारे होते. काटकोनानंतर छेदणारे रस्त्यांमुळे तयार झालेले चौकोनी जागेत प्रशस्त घरे बांधण्याची कोठारे बांधलेली असत. सांडपाणी वाहून नेण्यासाठी सांडपाणी वाहून नेण्यासाठी झाकलेली गटारे असत. घरोघरी स्वयंगृहे विहिरे व स्नानगृहे विहीर व शौचालय होते.
Yes, good. Your last 6th standard is completed. Very good. Your last question is, what made the soil on the banks of the Nile fertile? नाईल नदीच्या काठाची जमीन अत्यंत सुपीक का झाली? सांगा. साची.
Yes, teacher. The Nile get flood every year.
Nile. The Nile get flooded every year.
The land along her banks has become very fertile because of the flood
deposited. कर्णिका.
नाईल नदीच्या दरवर्षी पावसाळ्यात पूर येतो. हा पूर नद्यांच्या काठी घर आणून टाकतो. हजारो वर्षां वाहून आणलेल्या या गाळामुळे नाईल नदीच्या काठी जमीन अत्यंत सुपीक झाली आहे.
Yes, very good. Okay, so here we are done with the revision. 6th standard book दाखवा. Jai, show me your book.
Teacher, which right?
What?
Teacher, मी माझे लिहून सांगतो.
बुक दाखवायची आहे. मी लिहून सांगितलं होतं. लिहायला सांगितलेलं ना. अनुज.
टीचर तो फोर्थ वन
Yes,
टीचर.
मी कधीच लिहायला सांगितलेलं. तुमची रिव्हिजन संपली तेव्हा आदेश यू वेर प्रेझेंट दॅट टाइम. ओके अनुज, गुड. ओके, गुड. अजून कोणी आहे? भावेश. अंतरा, वाय सो लेट अंतरा? येस अंतरा. काय झालं भावेश? ओके. 6th स्टँडर्ड तुम्ही पुन्हा एकदा आज जे आन्सर्स तुम्हाला तुमचे वाचून घेतलेत, जे आले नाही तुम्हाला सांगता, त्याची परत प्रॅक्टिस एकदम नीट करायची आहे. ओके, भावेश इज ऑल्सो रिटन. व्हेरी गुड. ओके, नाव यू ऑल कॅन लिव्ह द क्लास. बाय बाय.
Bye, teacher. Bye, teacher.
Bye bye, teacher.
Bye bye teacher. Good night.
बाय बाय. बाय. चला क्लास लिव्ह करा सगळ्यांनी. बाय बाय एव्हरीवन.